Wagwan, everybody. Lennox here from Simple 123 Trader. Hope everybody's doing well and are safe. Current time is 6:08 p.m. Eastern Time. Taking a look at the GBPAUD H4 bottom alert from Friday. All right, and the email says that we have H4 MACD is down and weak, and daily MACD is up and strong. So let's take a look at the chart and see if this is a good H4 bottom to play. So I've got a profile set up with 4 charts and monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour. All right, so on the daily, it's telling us MACD is up and strong, and on the 4-hour, it's telling us MACD is going down and is weak. So you have to take a look at the overall picture to get an idea of should you be going short or long on this play. Now the alert says we're going long, so again we'll take a look at that. We'll look at the alert picture. It says we've got a 1, 2, 3 bottom right there at the current junction that we're at. We're in an overall uptrend, as you can see on the 4-hour. Okay, so let's take a look again to look at the overall picture from the monthly time frame. I'm going to take each one separately. So monthly time frame, you can see that the controlling move has been from this level. So this is the controlling 1, 2, 3, double 1, 2, 3 bottom right there, and we've been in a nice move to the upside, doing 5 waves down back to this level, and now we're pushing back up. So basically, we're retracing this move. We're now retracing that move. So we would expect on that retrace, we would expect a retrace of this move, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, taking us back about to that area. So putting the wave calc or fib on, you would get about a 62% area retrace of this current move. So I put the 1, 2, 3 on like this. If I could hit it, those points, let me do that again. Okay, there's our 1, our 2, and our 3. So we should come back up into around 62% area. So I'd be looking for price to retrace back to in this area. Okay, something like that. And so you can see here we have a 1, 2, 3 bottom, and we are now looking like we're getting close or at or near a 4th wave area. So another push to go still. All right, so the 1, 2, 3 bottom from the monthly looks good. Let's go to the weekly, and on the weekly now we can see the bigger picture. So we have a 1, 2, 3 here up to this level, and now we're pushing out in that move. So we could be in a 4th wave area, and what can happen in here is that we could just go sideways for a while. We don't know if that's going to happen. We don't know if it's going to break through. So you have to be aware of where you are. So since we are near or at a 4th wave area, be again cognizant of the fact that this is unpredictable in here. So if you get a chance to get a fourth 4-hour bottom and it looks good, yes, you can take it, but you're doing it at a little bit of a risk. Okay, so now we know we're in an overall uptrend. GBP Aussie daily, right? We're going on the daily. So this move here is now we're pushing back up against that move. Okay, so on the daily, we would have had a 1, 2, 3 bottom here. It's very shallow, very quick. So it's a strong move right now. And so we're looking for a 1, 2, 3 at a very interesting junction in that move. So we're kind of like here in that move to the upside. So are we going to be able to catch a 4th wave and continue? It's possible, but now you know where you are. Okay, now you know where you are in this move. So these moves, they pull back, you get a 1, 2, 3, you catch it, that's great. A move like this, catch it. These are better areas because you're down lower on the chart from a big move down. But when you're up higher on the chart, a move down is a little bit more precarious because we don't know if it's really going to continue going all the way up or we're going to go sideways. Like I say, we could be inside of a fourth wave area where we could just go sideways. So this is where knowing where you are in the structure is so vital. Okay, so you know now that you're kind of in this kind of area. So be aware of that again. All right, so drop into the 4 hour. Now we can see that the best play was down here. Okay, that would have been the best play. We would have been out of this, no problems. Okay, now you can see that we've chopped sideways. So if we get a 1, 2, 3 bottom like this, are we really going to break through, or is it going to continue going sideways for a while? We don't know. So MACD is telling us, watch out. We're kind of heading down. So it's kind of sideways. So be careful about that, right? On the daily, the MACD was saying, oh yeah, we're good. We got a cross. We're heading to the upside, so we're good on the daily. So we do have a little bit of positivity, as you would say, on the daily, but on the 4 hour, it's kind of a bit more cautious. So do we take this 1, 2, 3 bottom at this point? That's where, if you are want to take that risk and jump in and take that, yes, it might go. No, it might not go. Okay, so this is the risk you would take. If you want to take the risk, you put your stops in and put a buy stop in here and so forth. The auto 1, 2, 3 will do all that, and it could take you to that target, could take you back up into this area, no problem, or we could go sideways. So this is the risk at this point. Whereas if you had seen this move down and we had a 1, 2, 3 bottom alert here, the risk is less because now you know, okay, put a stop here, put a buy stop here. More than likely, we're going to get that move. All right, so that's a look at GBP Aussie. Profitable trading to everyone. But done now. Thank you.